Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, a smartphone that promises to balance affordability with advanced features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Edge 50 Pro catches the eye with its curved OLED display and sleek profile. It's available in 3 attractive colors: Black Beauty, Luxe Leather, and Moonlight Pearl. The vegan leather bag not only looks premium but also feels great in hand, offering a comfortable grip. The 6.7-inch POLED display impresses with vibrant colors and a peak brightness that competes with top-tier smartphones. Motorola boasts over 1 billion shades, validated by Pantone, though at lower brightness levels, colors can lose some intensity. Moving to the cameras, the Edge 50 Pro packs a punch with a 50 megapixels main sensor, 13 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10MP3x telephoto lens. While the main camera captures detailed shots, there are issues with color accuracy and stabilization, especially noticeable in low-light conditions. The front 50 megapixel selfie camera produces decent results but struggles with video stability despite optical image stabilization. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset powers the device, offering mid-range performance suitable for everyday tasks and gaming. However, it falls short compared to higher-end processors in demanding applications. One of the standout features is the battery life. With a 4,500 mAh battery and support for fast charging up to 125W wired and 50W wireless, you can expect impressive endurance and quick recharges. Motorola's software adds value with Moto AI features, enhancing user experience with smart functionalities. However, the promise of only 3 OS updates may deter those looking for long-term software support. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro offers a compelling package. For users seeking a mid-range smartphone with standout battery life and design. However, shortcomings in camera stability and performance prevent it from being a top contender in its price range. That wraps up our review of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech updates from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.